really want. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. There we go.
As always, thank you for tuning in. Disassembly time, always a good time. Johnny's getting everything cranked out while Mike works on some other ancillary bed stuff.
Still pretty long. Think a lot of. So there's the list. It's still pretty long. A lot of stuff to do, even though we're at the very end. We're like a couple weeks away. We're trying to make a car show, and I don't know if it'll happen. We can only have enough time to do like once a week. You know, we have family time and all that jazz. So, and then we'll see if we can get this done. All right, we're in the home stretch. We're blowing parts apart. We got a few odds and ends to finish welding. I gotta finish welding the shock mounts. So I gotta do that. The lowers, and then weld the uppers. Of course, it doesn't need to be said about bracing them so they don't shrink on you.
Because you already said it.
Yeah. Woo, we're like days away. Ugh. Instead of weeks this time.
So close.
So close. And then, yeah, we're gonna finish welding, do a little bit of grinding, a little bit of prep and clean, and we're gonna spray this guy with some 415. Yay!
I like you, lady.
Yay! Almost there. Almost there.
Yay!
Yay! Yay! Both of those are done with the shock mounts. No more welding to do on those guys. Check that off the list. Well, the lighting's real good in here. Yeah, makeshift paint booth. We got our cooler here pointing air at the ground to keep air circulating, so we don't run out of oxygen. And as you saw, we got things hung up. We're gonna spray there. We got the hose coming through there,
And the benches.
and got everything taped off that we don't want to paint. So we're just gonna have to be strategic.
See what I mean?
But hopefully this works as a paint booth.
Well, if it doesn't, then we'll just dismember ourselves.
Yeah. I think from some shows that I've seen, this would make a killer dismemberment boot. Well, there it is. One coat. I think we're gonna do two. I missed.
Doesn't look much different.
Kind of doesn't. Yeah, we just got silver paint all over everything.
Pretty awesome.
I'm glad we made this paint boot so it's not all over my floor.
Right, that would be a sticky mess in this son of a bitch.
Let it air out a little bit. We're gonna let it tack up. Probably go at it the second time, hopefully within the hour.
Okay then. Right. I like want to unmask it and put it all together right now.
Yeah, I know. And there, yeah, there's those bits.
Hell yeah.
Cool thing is we can actually scuff those up if he ever wants to paint them a different color or whatever, and paint right over them, and they still have rust protection, which is super rad. Well, there you have it, folks. It's an overspray on the lens, it looks like.
Oh yeah.
First time using a spray gun, really, and then first time using Pour 15 by myself with a spray gun. Usually just brush it on. It was the old piece of crap Volkswagens, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know. I think it turned out pretty good. I guess.
Pretty okay.
It's pretty silver. Yay! Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Almost finished, guys. In the next episode, Mike and Johnny are going to be putting together all the air components for the air ride system, including wiring, valves, final assembly of that stuff. There's a whole bunch of little clips a part of that I need to get through, so should be the next episode next week. Hope you guys stick along.
To undo the bags, I gotta undo this whole contraption.
Doesn't do that! Okay! God, this guy!
Why are you such an idiot?
It's like so much shadow right here. Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.